And I think what's made this twist out more successful than the last is that when I would get the pieces of hair, I would try to make sure that I grip the two parts of hair and can make sure I keep that same level of tension as I continue to twist one strand over another, just so that it will hold well. And hopefully that has a positive experience, a positive outcome for my twist out being really defined. I would say each quadrant took about 20 to 25 minutes, and that's a fairly good time for the size of the twist that I have. And I tried to speed the video up for time's sake so you all can see the complete process of how I did my hair, how I was able to detangle it with the Denman brush, moisturize it, maintain its moisture with the shower cap. The only thing I would do differently is I would invest in some hair clips so I don't keep having to throw my hair over or utilizing a comb. I have some alligator clips, but they tend to pull on my hair so much that I just don't use them anymore. But once I find some clips that don't pull or snag at my hair, I'll go ahead and have those in the next video, so it's not so difficult for me to keep the parts separated from each other. Alright guys, I'm done with this style. I sprayed some more BTS keratin treatment on it, and I waited about 1.5 to 2 hours and let it air dry. Very pleased with the results. Can't wait to see what the takedown looks like. So you guys be safe, be careful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.